Hello everybody and welcome back. So today we have a very special challenge that I am going to be participating in. Today we are going to be doing our first build for the Friendsgiving challenge. If you're wondering what the Friendsgiving challenge is exactly, if you haven't heard of the amazing Kaylee Games, go check her out. If you're not subbed, you know what you gotta do. So anyways, she put this fall challenge together for us creators and people in the community still. So yes, I am going to be partaking of it, and yes, I am very excited. So yes, here she is. Please go check her out. You know what you gotta do if that button isn't pressed yet. So yes, please go do that. But yes, basically the challenge is we have a list of builds that we need to build on our island. So today we are going to be building our pumpkin. Hang on, I literally forgot what it's called. Let's see, it is our pumpkin contest. So glad I remembered that the first time. Anyways, so we are going to be building two types of pumpkin contests. We are doing a pumpkin carving stand, so that will be the first contest, and the second one is just the largest pumpkin contest. I don't know. When it says pumpkin contest, I just had the desire to do both, so that's what we're going to be doing today. But yes, anyways, with that, let's get started. Alright team, so as I said before, we are going to be building the pumpkin contest area. It's going to be multiple builds just because there's a road literally dividing it, so we're going to be building 3 roads off the road. So yes, we are doing our largest pumpkin contest, we're doing our pumpkin carving contest, and we're also building a basketball court just because I feel like that's fall. Also, I just like basketball courts just in general. But yeah, that is the game plan for today. Also, would you be interested in seeing me decorating these roads? I just feel like the roads right now are just so freaking bland and that they need some help. So yeah, just let me know if you'd be interested in seeing that, or if I should do anything about it. If you guys like it, just let me know your opinion. Please and thank you. But yes, we are starting with the pathing. I had a lot of issues with this path. I was just constantly changing my mind. I didn't know what to do. So that was definitely a big struggle for me. But I think it turned out in the end. I think it looks pretty cute. Once again, it's a trust the process thing. So just trust the process. I swear, that's literally going to be a motto here. Just trust the process. But yeah, I swear I'm not this indecisive all the time. But yes, I promise you it does come together, so if it's bad, just don't be afraid. I know it's bad, so just trust me, just trust the process. I swear, it does come together in the end. Also, I just feel like in general, pathing just looks bad on its own without decoration. It needs something. I feel like it completes a build. I know I'm very scoochcore and everything, but I mean the path is still very crucial to builds, of course. And you know, you still want it to look great, even though it's going to be covered by literally everything and anything possible. So yes, the reason I'm doing both pumpkin contest builds is just because I feel like that's just extra fall. I feel like that's really in the spirit of the challenge, you know? So I think both would look great. But yeah, and I'm also throwing in a basketball court just because I like basketball. Also, I just feel like that'd be very fitting for a town core island. I just feel like that would be very fitting. And I think it looks pretty cute off the road. Just throw some trees in and I think it could look really nice. That's why I'm more of a town core person and less of a city core. Just because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like builds can be really flat just because there's no greenery. I feel like builds often, I feel like they're not green enough, just in my opinion. They don't have enough trees or flowers or bushes or anything. And yes, I know it's a city and everything, but cities also have green spaces. Anyways, rant over. So yeah, and with that, let's keep building. Alright team, thank you so much for watching. Today is another trial and error day, but I think it came out really cute. I think it looks really good, and I feel like it fills the space really well. And with that, this is your reminder that you are loved and that you do matter. So make sure you take care of yourself and your happiness and the people around you, because you are so freaking valuable and you matter so freaking much. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye!